Millie, you piss me off in a brother. Big man thing you piss me off in a dog. You know you piss me off? This is why you piss me off. I'm gonna tell you why you piss me off. You piss me off. You want me to tell you why? You too bumbo clock, man. So you piss me off, dog. You piss me off, my youth. You piss me off in a Millie. So man, too easy if you switch dog. I saw them easy if you kill dog. Lose weight, catch you with the 17 dog. Yeah, and pull back on the trigger. When you done, wrap it back on the thugs them. And come make a class and say fuck them. Then I go all say if you kill the rest and stuff them. Start the war week and stuff them. Hey, Rowdy, I'm a start no deep. Full of kick. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Move up. And today, guys, we're here with Daily Duppy. Millions, Daily Duppy. Millions, we got a bumbo clot self dog. I'm my glass, you can see it on my face. Millions, we got a bumbo clot self G. You know, it's your rep for Jamaica and I'm a G, so don't know me for rep for you. You see me, I'm a G? I said the bumbo clot thing set. I could jump to the one when I waste the time with G, I could go hear what you say. So, man, too easy for sit dog. Let's go.
Yo. With my YG, what's popping? Stop it, you don't wanna talk, just knock it. If I put one hand behind, just cock it and shoot for your pocket so nobody clock it. But what?
Ooh, that's some hitman shit. Yeah. What the fuck look like here, dog? Yeah, Millions different in the dog. Hear the man say.
Yo. With my YG, what's popping? Stop it, you don't wanna talk, just knock it. If I put one hand behind, just cock it and shoot for your pocket so nobody clock it. But what?
Picture that, just picture that. I'm not saying nothing more, just picture that.
Watch it. Hella civilians watching and won't mind turning you in for a profit. And just cause provisional license dropping, don't think I won't get the drop and drop it.
Don't think I'm gonna miss a Jamaica flag there now.
Put one hand behind, just cock it and shoot for your pocket so nobody clock it. But watch it. Hella civilians watching and won't mind turning you in for a profit. And just cause provisional license
Jamaica thing. Jamaica flag up there, yes, my G.
dropping, don't think I won't get the drop and drop it. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is smash or pass on waps.
Yo, I'm glad to say I'm not one of those YouTubers that says welcome back to my YouTube channel. No. I say, what is up, guys? JAMAICA'S here with another reaction. Yo, oh gosh. I'm thinking, oh, what going on? Volume sound low though. What going on with my volume, dog?
Watch it, hella civilians watching and won't mind turning you in for a profit. And just cause provisional license dropping, don't think I won't get the drop and drop it. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is smash or pass on waps. Get my subscribers up, then I'll do part 2. Smash or pass on yats, but
get my subscribers up and I'll do part 2. Some of you YouTubers are corny as fuck as well, dog. Some of you corny as fuck like corned beef and bumbuckler. Oh, I'm doing it, man.
Anyway, they said a 4-4 can't jam, so I think I'll smash. And I'll smash the 12 gauge even though it's long. And I got
Right play.
smash or pass on waps. Get my subscribers up, then I'll do part 2. Smash or pass on yats, but anyway, they said a 4-4 can't jam, so I think I'll smash. And I'll smash the 12 gauge even though it's long. And I gotta use 2 hands. You probably think cause it's waps, it's smash, but I'll pass if they're known to jam. For a profit and just cause provisional license dropping, don't think I won't get the drop and drop it. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is smash or pass on waps. Get my subscribers up, then I'll do part 2. Smash or pass on yats, but anyway, they said a 4-4 can't jam, so I think I'll smash. And I'll smash the 12 gauge even though it's long. And I gotta use 2 hands. You probably think cause it's waps, it's smash, but I'll pass if they're known to jam. Like the 8mm dead, pass, I'll give the 1 pop to the juvies, but pass. Brownie loud and tick, smash.
Definitely.
Long, and I gotta use 2 hands. You probably think cause it's waps, it's smash, but I'll pass if they're known to jam. Like the 8mm dead, pass, I'll give the 1 pop to the juvies, but pass. Brownie loud and ticks.
Just want to see the browning. We just want to see the browning.
Smash, G-lock with no chip. Pass now, still take the Glock with no chip. You're mad? Don't like me, then suck your dad.
Don't like me, then suck your dad. Don't suck your mother, you know. Because the whole of we suck with mother. Once we're inside of our mother, we suck with mother. Suck your father. Suck your father. Bumbleclot. Millions, stop your fucking man, you. Duppy.
G-lock with no chip. Pass now, still take the Glock with no chip, you mad? Don't like me, then suck your dad, your father. Everyone's using a cock emoji, but who's really got chopper teeth? Teeth had a link for him.
Everybody I use the crocodile emoji, but who have chopper teeth? Yo.
Suck your dad, your father. Everyone's using a cock emoji, but who's really got chopper teeth? Teeth had a link for a next chopper piece or phone because for a one chopper sweet. Just to see if that one chopper beats. By now you must know what chopper means. Clip black but to stop mahogany. It is what it is.
Yo, I don't need to say much in this one. Yo, Millie, what the fuck you do, brother? Where you find this, Millie? Where you find the flow, yeah, brother? Where you find them lyrics, yeah, brother? Where you find them wordplay and the metaphor and them puns, yeah, brother? What go on, dog? What go on with you, brother? Where you dealing? You good? Everything good with you, Michi? Because you grow in front of your face, brother. Yeah. Your levels, dog. Your levels. Not normal. Millie, your levels not normal, bro.
If you know what I mean. Wow. Now you must know what chopper means. Clip black but to stop mahogany. It is what it is if you know what I mean. Wow. And I'm still trying to find conquer them things come real like the lottery and they.
But them still try to find con because them go them come weird like them come rare like the lottery. So if them hard forget. Not con when you eat, you know. Got KFC for that. No, not the one there, brother. Crocodile teeth, them matter.
It is if you know what I mean. Wow. And I'm still trying to find conquer them things come real like the lottery and the broom get full up a dust so you can't all sweep up a room properly to saying that.
The broom get full up of dust. It's not at the sweeping broom, but at the broom in the dark. Whack that broom them attack.
Real like the lottery and the broom get full up a dust so you can't all sweep up a room properly to saying that flat to pay when I've each now this year I'ma invest property. Girl won't read me like biography, but the autos don't fit this magazine. Consigned the 3-5 just starting, trying to make the best out of a bad situation. Thought I knew how to chop, but I made bare crumbs, so I made 20 shots from an 8th.
You fuck up the work. You fuck up the food. You thought you know how to do it, but you fuck up it. And you made 20 shots from an 8. You fuck up the food. Are the food not good? Which one?
Trying to make the best out of a bad situation. Thought I knew how to chop, but I made bare crumbs, so I made 20 shots from an 8th. Made a cat run the phone, I was stupid.
Once I make a 20 shots from an 8 things, brother. You fuck up the food, brother. Where I wash? You fuck up the... He said, at least he said he thought I know how to do it.
It's sending him out when I'm in education. Now I'm licking shots without being on the field. Starting, trying to make the best out of a bad situation. Thought I knew how to chop, but I made bare crumbs, so I made 20 shots from an 8th. Made a cat run the phone, I was stupid. Sending him out when I'm in education. Now
you can't make... You put butter up his mouth, them are gonna yam it. You can't give a cat your line, brother. You can't give a cocky your line, dog. Them are gonna smoke it crack. If you give him one for luck for you, him a go... Police, I never mean. Police, chill.
I'm licking shots without being on the field like football manager doing simulation. I clocked the feds emerging from the side road. They didn't need to do no hazard perception. You'd get bail and I'd go jail. Me and you got 2 different hazard perceptions. Confirm a name on a tape recording. After that I don't answer a question. No codees and I'm playing duress, saying I got my shank for protection. I came out of jail, shopkeeper, asking where I've been. I said I've been away with work. Little did you know 18 months prior I was going through evidence paperwork.
Some shopkeeper say, yeah, he's working at shop. Boss man, what on? Where you been? I've been away on work vacation. And if you know my business, you ask so much bumbleclot question too nosy. Mind your own business. Move your bumbleclot.
Tell him a girl at the time it's long, but she's saying we can make it work. Sweatbox going caught in the AM, just to be told that my case adjourned. Them green tuners 129, man don't consume tuna in brine. Matter of fact, I'm a mackerel man for that fish there, cost 175. This valley blocks my peripheral vision, I can't see the jakes from the side of my eye. I'm still looking for...
That's true, you know. The Bally Blacks are preferred for truth, you know. You can't see the police them.
Tunas 129, man don't consume tuna in brine. Matter of fact, I'm a mackerel man for that fish there, cost 175. This valley blocks my peripheral vision, I can't see the jakes from the side of my eye. I'm still looking for cameras in prison, I'll catch him yakking the spot where it's blind. See my mum's friends on the road and they're asking me if I still kick ball. Yeah, auntie, I just play some pro, I'm just waiting now for that one big call. Trap of the picture, I would've picked sports, but the cats on the strip paid me a bit more. So unless you're coming with quiz, your freebie phone calls definitely getting ignored. Bro, if you see a white ST on your travels, right down the ridge I got a clone and plates.
Yo, what the fuck?
What if the owner gets a speeding ticket in a random town, they're gonna phone them jakes? 5 man in a tree door, it might be difficult to blow this chase. If you don't shake them first 5 minutes, I'm gonna decamp and host a race. I got
That flu is sick like hospital. That flu is sick like hospital. Yo, what the fuck, dog? Millie, you piss me off in the brother. Big man thing, you piss me off in the dog. You know why you piss me off? This is why you piss me off. I'm gonna tell you why you piss me off. You piss me off. You want me to tell you why? You're too bumbo clock, man. So you piss me off, dog. You piss me off, my youth. You piss me off in the Millie.
got my diamonds on in the club, but still I ain't tasted ace of spades. I've gotta protect my creps. These ain't normal Jordans, these J2K. Don't jack around black man, end up picking up 5 from an ancient gauge. You're a joker without no heart. I use my last card just to make this play. Where's your girl?
You're a joker without no heart. This is where your bumbo clap piss me off, my G. But carry on.
Got a snap in the bio for a nigga like me to add and dougal. I'm the man your mum thinks is play. Why's your girl got a snap in the bio for a nigga like me to add and dougal? I'm the man your mum thinks is calm. She won't ever know that I'm causing trouble. Before I knew about bricks, I was burying 200 stones blazing in the rubble. Now I got a lane bit tough, like I hit you right back. I'm just going for a tunnel. Psych. Threesome with 2 best friends, no pun intended, but it's worth a try. One got upset, bro, called her a diet, man. Don't be rude, she's just young and bi. My bitch do you from head to toe. I'm Rodeo driving, I'm wearing Nike. Niggas sugars be virgins, do it for the media, shooting at the sky. Better mind you don't hit that satellite, I'm gonna be pissed if you switch off my sky. Niggas saying I'm washed, rude. They're just upset that I'm young and fly. I don't speak on shit, we know what it is, I don't care for the public eye. Break my tweezers in 2, unscrew the fan, put my phone inside. Hella contraband in this beast, but only got done for the stolen bride. They found 2 phones in the bush, no prints on the line, but they know it's mine. 1 hour before in the tea, seen Leroy putting stone on pipe. Welcome. Paddy phone 3 times in an hour, why don't you buy it all at once this long? If this old man sees me again, he's gonna report me to neighborhood watch. Cat driving, I'm lying in the back, trying not to get seen by the neighborhood cops. I know I got the jigs in a foot chase, calm, I just gotta get away from the dogs. I ain't got a close friends on Insta, anything other than music's incriminating. Have you ever seen first behind, last minute, wanna drive straight but you're already indicated?
Only what the one say a while ago? We don't have a close friend on Instagram. Any friend when I have is music related. Can't incriminate yourself, dog. Someone are going with fuckery and I do fuckery. I'll have video on yourself, I do something like a fuckery. Just take notes. You hear the man I say, dog.
I know I got the jigs in a food 1 hour, why don't you buy it all at once this long? If this old man sees me again, he's gonna report me to neighborhood watch. Cat driving, I'm lying in the back, trying not to get seen by the neighborhood cops. I know I got the jigs in a foot chase, calm, I just gotta get away from the dogs. I ain't got a close friends on Insta, anything other than music's incriminating. Have you ever seen first behind, last minute, wanna drive straight but you're already indicated?
Imagine that drive, so dog. Nah, pre your rear view. You got some my indicate. And you look up, fuck, police are back at me. You can't drive straight off it. You just keep indicate. Go to the left. You just indicate left. Go to your left, dog. You can't do nothing else. Yeah.
I can tell he's gonna talk in the station. He's got a lot to say. He's opinionated. Signed to 10% if you want a 9 bar or a rap deal. We can facilitate it.
Yeah. You want drugs already, we can get it, isn't it?
I'm gonna say this. This is one of the best. This is one of the best meat here. Daily Duppy wise. This is one of the best meat here. You never disappoint me, G. You piss me off in anything, you're bad. You never disappoint me, G. Bro, Millie, dig up a bumbo clat, self dog. Like, the bar we set a while ago, the standard we set a while ago. Like, you never even take a breath, brother. You go 4 minutes and 10 seconds without no stopping, dog. Like, dog, like, bro, you go, bro. Round of applause, my G. Round of applause, my G. Yo, big up yourself, dog. Big up yourself, Millie. Big up the editors for these daily duppies. Me know so they put in a lot of work in it. Big up GRM Daily, you know? Yeah. Big up the person who make the beat. And once again, big up my subscribers them. And the people them who don't subscribe but watch the video, them big up on yourself, see me. We're outside! Now the girl them outside. Millie, big up yourself again, my G. Up top!